Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Cruella de Vil from the live action movie in Draft Press. I'm going to remove everything except for the ones I did accessory adjustments on. So get the afro and color it black. I did no adjustments on this. Then select this hair and you're going to color it this color for both. So this one. For the adjustments, Z at 0.53, rotate the X at 0.59, Y 0.76, Z 0.19, and scale it to 0.81. Then for the outfit, I am going to use this dress in this red color for E090B for both in both foil. Then I am going to get this in that same color in foil. Then you can use either this turtleneck or the turtleneck in VIP. It's up to you which one you want. I'm just going to get this one because it is a little bit thinner. Then I am going to get the gloves as well here in no fur. This color in silk, but just like darker, like this color maybe. And then if you want to, you can also grab this. This is a VIP item. And I'm going to color the second color a gray color. And that is it. It is so simple. Oh, and the mask, duh, I forgot. You can use a mask or not. She does take the mask off at the end, but you can wear it before the reveal. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.